Alright, so today we're cooking Tuscan salmon. I got my brisk right here. Smashed potatoes, rice, and garlic bread.
How do you invite me over for this and not give me a brisk?
Nigga, that's my first time doing a voiceover. So we just chilling. You just gonna bear with it. So we got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of butter, some salt and pepper, 1/4 a cup of Parmesan, throw in some dried herbs, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1½ cups of half cherry tomatoes, 2 cups of baby spinach, 1/4 a cup of chopped herbs, 1½ cups of heavy cream. So now we got the garlic. An easy way to break down a clove is to smash it underneath the knife. And just cut it up into small pieces as small as you can. It's called mincing. One day I'm gonna show you how to do it. Now for the tomatoes, all we're doing is cutting them in half. Simple. Yeah, so now we got our rolls. I wanted it to be like garlic bread, so I put butter and parsley flakes. I put some seasonings because I wanted it to make the Parmesan taste better too. So just add some more cheese. Yeah, so now we got the smashed potatoes. You want it to boil them first to soften them up so you can smash them down very easy. And just add seasonings and put them in the pot. Yeah, so once your butter is melted, you want to throw in the minced garlic and then the cherry tomatoes about a minute after. Then pour the cream, let it heat up a little bit, then throw in your chopped herbs. Yeah, I just wanted to add, I ate this with some rice too. The rice being underneath the fish was really good for it. It really helped out the sauce too.
That's weird, bro. That's weird, bro. Oh, see that plate too?
Yeah, so we got the bar here.
See the plate?
We got the plate.
She already started on this one.
Yeah, so we just finished right now. And we finna eat it.
I don't move around it, they gon' kill me in my